Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these custom makeup looks on Dress to Impress. So this is a tutorial on like what I prefer in like a custom makeup. I'm sorry if this is what you're not looking for, but here are some of the makeups that I have kind of saved and the ones that I make. So I like this makeup a lot. This is the eye. This is the brow. This is more for like a glamorous look. These are the lips and the contour and the nose. For a natural look, I like to combine these eyes or this one or this one. And then for the brow, I would just take like these brows. For the lips, my favorite one are these ones, and I would just color them this natural kind of lip color. And for the nose, it's pretty much you can do any kind of nose you want, but I like this one. And then for the blush, I just use this one. So this is what I like to do for like a natural makeup look. Let me just actually save that. Okay, I'm gonna just delete the ones that I don't really use anymore. You can also save like non-human makeup looks like these ones, but make sure the color is kind of like, I guess, natural in a sense. I don't use eyebrows for it. And then for the lips, I guess you can use like this one, but like in maybe like a gray color. And then like get a nose and color that as well, so it looks something like this. Again, as you can see, I don't use eyebrows for it. And I have this one as well. Just, I think it's like more fun if you do like the custom makeup by yourself, because it is like a preference thing. But these are the ones that I have. This one's more for like a vintage kind of Renaissance look. I use this one a lot. This one too is also cute, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.